During trial, we used a PowerPoint presentation to help our expert explain to the jury exactly what was going on. But now the jury's out deliberating, trying to decide who's more likely right than wrong. And now they send a note back to the judge. Judge, we would like to see Mr. Oginski's PowerPoint presentation again. Can the judge and will the judge allow them to do that? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. The answer is no. The judge is not going to allow them to see and review my PowerPoint presentation all over again. And why is that? It's because my PowerPoint presentation was not admitted into evidence. The slides that I had up there that my expert was using to explain to the jury different things was not admitted into evidence. You will find, however, that really smart attorneys will now make copies, printouts, of the slides that they used during the PowerPoint presentation. Why? So that now they can admit those actual copies of the slides that are used during the PowerPoint to then admit into evidence. And once they're admitted into evidence, the jury can see them, they can read them during the course of their deliberations. But when the PowerPoint slides are being shown in a display on a projector screen, there's nothing for the jury to take back with them while they're deliberating. However, if we have a printout of each and everything that was presented, that we think are important, that was admitted into evidence, yes, now they can take that, review it, look at it. But the actual slides, the actual images that were projected on the screen, that was never admitted into evidence. And if it's not in evidence, the jury cannot then use it to review during the course of their deliberations. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight of what goes on during the course of a civil lawsuit here in the state of New York. You know, nobody talks about this, and I wanted to teach you and show you what goes on behind the scenes, and you'll never know about this unless you're going through the litigation process and see this firsthand in your own trial. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit in a matter that happened here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.